And we were discussing actually about the primary, secondary and tertiary and quaternary structure of the protein, but video was disconnected automatically of its own. So this is the actually the secondary structure of the protein. As I was showing you, the primary structure of the protein is just a straight line like this, and when it's formed the helical structure, right-handed helix, then it is called as secondary structure of the protein. To make it more active, or you can say more functional or more biochemical active, the proteins modifies its structure. Like this is the secondary structure, and if it becomes hollow ball like structure, as it is written, woolen ball like structure which is folded upon itself, like hollow woolen ball like structure as it is shown, so that it will become more biochemically active, and this is called as tertiary structure of the protein. But in this you can see that only one polypeptide chain is there. It is its starting point N end, and it is coiling like this and making a ball like structure, and ultimate terminal point is C point is here, but it is made up of only one polypeptide chain. And quaternary structure is not shown. It is also like this only, but in that more than one polypeptide chain is there, because some of the proteins are there which are not made up of only one polypeptide chain, rather they are made up of more than one polypeptide chain, and can be four polypeptide chain, as in the molecule of hemoglobin. 2 alpha and 2 beta polypeptide chains are there, 4 polypeptide chains are there, and if they roll themselves like this and form the quaternary structure, so it will be considered as it is written, the linear string spheres and spheres arranged one upon each other in the form of cube or plate, and in the architecture of the protein otherwise called as quaternary structure. Okay, तो दैट मीन्स कि लीनियर होगा, लीनियर के बाद में वो स्फीयर बन सकता है, और एक के ऊपर एक पॉलीपेप्टाइड चेन्स अरेंज हो सकती हैं. तो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज क्रोटिनरी स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द प्रोटीन. एंड दिस वे इन बायोलॉजी देयर आर 4 लेवल्स ऑफ द प्रोटीन्स आर देयर, दैट इज प्राइमरी यानी कि स्ट्रेट लाइन स्ट्रक्चर, देन हेलिकल राइट हैंडेड हेलिक्स सेकेंडरी स्ट्रक्चर, then hollow woolen ball like structure quaternary structure, and if more polypeptide chains are there and which are arranging themselves in the form of sphere, then it is called as quaternary structure. So this is all about the protein, but again it is a very important question that what are the various types of protein and their structures are there. Okay, thank you.